We got the back wall done and we reused the tin from our old shop for the back wall because you won't see it anyway. But it actually really looks good. And Blake just finished cutting off the top, so it looks nice. And we're about to start on this wall right there. We got all 3 sides on almost.
If we had all 3 sides on, we wouldn't be on this lift.
Almost, look, that's all we have left. Hey, Kyle.
We're videoing.
Big Blue. He's gotten a lot better.
Yeah, he wears more color neutral shirts.
He was new to the YouTube situation. Lots of improvement. That's good.
We got Archie, that's a new single man.
Uh-oh. Holla, ladies, holla.
God, get them pimples out of there.
Pimples.
All them in your forehead.
I'm beautiful.
Hey, Dad. Holla.
I can't even deal with how pretty that looks. All that stuff won't be there anymore. That's gonna be gone. But look how clean and pretty that looks. Oh my God. Ugh. So our lift is getting picked up tomorrow and we just finished with everything that we wanted to do with it. We needed to get these 3 walls done. This front wall, we can use our new little genie. So we used the tin from our old barn for this back wall. It's gonna get covered right away. We're gonna plug like the old little holes that you see there with these little tin plugs. And then all that'll be insulated and covered. I've been shipping and I come outside and Blake has this wall almost ready. Him and his dad have been working on it. For the doors, we already have the tin for it, but we have to have the guys come out and do like the rocks, like on the house. It looks so good. I finally had my first fix-it idea, fix the problem that we've had on the shop that we're actually using for the first time ever. I feel like I always have these ideas. Blake never wants to use them. But we're moving our water tanks. They were here and it looked really junky because you could like see it from the house and stuff. We didn't ever like it. But we were gonna move these tanks and build a house right here for our water filters, our water softener, the air compressor, all that stuff. Well, it just like, it was gonna look too cluttered and we wanted to have all that in the shop, but we didn't want to run pipes out of the wall. 1, because it looks like shit, and 2, because it freezes here a lot and we didn't want to have to worry about our water pipes freezing because everything we have here is underground. So I told Blake, I said, why don't we just dig under the slab and drill some holes and pull a little chunk of the concrete out, run the pipes through and out, and it's actually working and he's actually doing it and I'm so excited about it. So it'll come out here, come over and over there, and then this stuff and our air compressor and everything will go in a room in the shop. We are back to doing sketchy shit by ourselves, 20 feet in the air. We are adding an awning over the doors here and the windows because I think it'll just be better. It'll be 2 pieces of tin wide to cover the walkway and everything. I think it'll just be good to keep the weather off of all that. We just lifted this up here by ourselves. We're not afraid of death. And now I'm walking around and ruining his weld. So we've been waiting for weeks to get the rock done, and that is what was stalling us from doing the tin on the front wall while we were waiting, we decided to add this awning. That's what we've been doing today. And we are going to be like dropping this down 4 feet, like there, closing it all in. It'll be a flat roof under there, and that will also be all closed in. But yeah, it's taking a while, this part of it, because it's just the little detailed stuff. Once we get the front walls on and the awnings done, we're gonna start framing this wall right here and start on the interior. We're starting on tin for the front. Every piece has to be cut, so that's pretty annoying, but yeah.
Not every piece.
Really?
There's 12 pieces and 11 of them got to be cut.
Okay, so one piece doesn't have to be cut. It started raining, so we only got this little tiny piece done, and it's about to be dark. But look how good it looks. Your review?
12.
12? This is the second time we're having to install the lights. The first time we didn't really pay attention, and we got way too big watts for how many lights we have in here. We have 30 lights. We're still installing over here, but I think we did like 150 watts, and that was like, yeah, pulling our amperage, like way too much for what we have. So these are 100 watt, and we're putting them back up, and now we have them on 3 switches, so where each bay will come on. Like you have the option to have each bay on. So we got some up, and they look good. We have 2 rows left to do for the 3rd bay, and it's 2 degrees outside. My little fingies hurt. Got all the lights installed, and now look how good that looks. Ooh. Now Blake's gonna work his magic on all these cuts and is measuring. All the tin that we have left is this wall, 10,000 cuts, and these doors. And then he's gonna like put a roof thing in here. But tell us how you do it, Blake. How are you so good at everything?
Just woke up like that.
It is what it is, I guess. We're going to Chili's tonight. It's gonna be pretty lit Friday night at Chili's. What happened? Did you cut yourself? Blake always makes light of my injuries, but I actually have proof this time that the tin went through my thumb.
All the way through? First it just scratched it, now it went through.
Went all the way through with my glove.
Our whole finger almost fell off. Buffalo.
He always says that my injuries are not real, and this time I have proof. What do you have to say for yourself now after your routine?
You're still a wiener.
We got our front wall done. Now we're doing this little awning trim, just for looks. It's not trim, I don't know what it is, but
Show it all.
it looks so good. Look over there. We're running out of daylight, so we're just out of daylight, so we're just gonna see how many pieces we can get up. The longer I stay on to YouTube, and the less we gotta do.
Go down.
We just have one more piece to do, but we got down before it gets too dark. We just are gonna cut that piece and go back up and put it up. And then Mimi went and got us all Chick-fil-A. Hey, y'all know I ate my first chicken nugget in like 20 years the other day from Chick-fil-A. Blake talked me into it, and it wasn't half bad.
When you meet me halfway.
Hey, round for you, I've been waiting all night and day. I swear we can't do anything safe. We got the lift hanging over the edge. Ah! That works. Blake's hanging over.
Just hanging out.
Hanging out. We're getting it. We only have 4 pieces left.
Woo!
They got the front done. We did that last night. And then we gotta, these little things here, we gotta put purlins across, and then we're gonna put a roof. And it's gonna look good. I lost my glove. Blake got him a squeegee, and so we get the gutters put up. He calls it his bro dozer. It is actually called an aqua dozer.
Look at that boy.
What do you think of it?
She knows it.
This looks great, babe. We're framing the office walls up. So this will be a door in between the shop and the office, like this. And then this is a 7 by something big window that when I'm sitting at my desk right here, I'll be able to look out and see Blake and the trucks outside. And then there's gonna be like stairs here that go up to a loft. And then this is gonna be a door, I think, I don't remember what side, maybe here, I think. You're gonna go through from the office, and then this room will be our inventory room, shipping, little mini warehouse. So excited! They're tearing down. My window is going. I'm gonna start helping now. I've been editing, and now I'm gonna get in it.
Like how this one's got a kick?
Yeah, I just kind of got it.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm gonna do that. I'm just getting all the pieces I need. Board. Okay.
Nail the top ones? You can nail that. Just nail the top ones. You got to nail all those. Yeah, so do those now.
I'm sweating.
Put them shit on. You know?
It's hot.
Should be 16.
The sun is hot. This is a lot of room, and that's not a lot of room, and we need more room in here, I feel like.
Yeah, well, he's putting, this will be the marker. He's bent over.
Okay. Oh, so that'll be like double the size.
Yeah.
First wall that I'm attempting to build completely on my own. I'm almost done. We'll see how it goes. Be on that mark. We'll see if it's actually accurate or not. I did good? Yes. I'm tape measure handicapped, you guys. So the fact that I'm doing this is crazy. So one more board? Or you can
Yeah, you need to nail that thin one over there.
Uh-huh. And then that one?
And then we'll put one here.
And the top. Or the bottom, I guess.
And then that one right there. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Actually, you can nail this first. Nail one of those.
All right, so I marked, measured, cut, nailed my first wall. Let's see if it's even.
The good thing is it doesn't butt on that side.
There it goes.
You get it staying as well. That's the only thing.
Yeah. See my mark over there? Yeah. Oh, okay.
It needs to come out in the middle.
The sun is coming in so weird. There we go.
Hey, Dad, lean it back. You're like pushing.
This is exciting. Do I need to nail it anywhere or something?
Yeah, bring me the nail.
Okay.
Or grab a ladder and then.
Okay. Where?
Hold the level on the other side.
On this side?
Yeah. And I'm just gonna put like a hold on it. Like they always try and do on my credit cards.
Right there.
This level?
Yeah. And just like that, Builder Barbie in action. I'll be giving free quotes. All right, so I did good, but I did for this doorway, but it's not 16, so I missed a stud. I had it marked, but I didn't put it in there. I didn't know we needed to double it up, but they're fixing it.
Loose a nail.
There we go. And it's fixed. Blake and I are getting our floor put up on the second story. We just started. Here's where we're at so far. Looks pretty good. It's a beautiful day. There's Blake cleaning stuff. But yeah, this is what we got. We got some stuff under here. We got this all done. I'm obsessed with it. There's so much more room in here than I thought we were gonna have. Like, I knew it was gonna be huge, but like, it's insane. So we got all of this done. We got our floor in for the loft. And we put like the subfloor down, all that. Here, I'll come up on this ladder and you guys can see. Oh, I had to get skinny right there. All right, so let me start out over here. All right, you'll come in the front door. There will be a door to the shop, our window, door to my apparel storage room. This will all be an open banister. The stairs will come here. And then you'll go up here. Oh. And then here's the second floor. This will be banister open. That's all gonna be closed off. We're gonna have a big window like that's in the office down here. There's gonna be a big window here. We're gonna do a pool table and then like a couch with like the PlayStation, all the video game stuff. Then we're doing a gym back there and a huge closet for like Christmas decorations and just storage and stuff like that. And there will be a bathroom up here as well. So that's up here. And I can't wait for that to be done. That is gonna be so much fun up there. All right, and then this is going in to my warehouse room. Hopefully I outgrow it quick. So then you won't be able to get into these rooms from here. Like, these are gonna be the only things you can get to. You'll have to go through this door into the shop like this. And then, whew, long walk. So then this room here, all right, so then you're gonna have this room. This is where we're gonna put like the welding table and all like the ugly stuff you don't really wanna see too much. And this door too, this is gonna have, we're gonna do like a full wall of like the nuts and bolts and all that stuff that you just like scan to reorder. Maybe toolboxes, all kinds of that stuff in that room, kind of like a junk room. Right here, from like here over, we're doing a room and it's all gonna be insulated. That fridge isn't gonna be here. We're doing a bathroom down here. There's the toilet. We're gonna do a bathroom and then this is gonna be all our water stuff. We're changing some of this. It's gonna have like a pressure tank and stuff. This, and then we're gonna put an air dryer in and all that good stuff in here. So it's just a huge project that we're taking one day at a time. It took us less time to do our house, but our house is like not even a quarter of the size of the shop. Actually, just our loft and office right here is as big as our house. So yeah, that's where we're at. We still didn't put that on, but we're getting there, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see how it goes, like, comment, subscribe so you can see when the next videos are dropped. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, Lola.